3 powerful foods that clean your arteries and protect your heart. What if I told you clogged arteries, the kind you may not feel until it's too late, are behind 1 in 3 deaths in the United States? That's millions of lives lost every year, and many of them were preventable. Over 119 million Americans live with high blood pressure, and by age 60, your arteries may already be narrowing silently. But here's the hopeful news: your fork is your best weapon. Today, I'll reveal 3 delicious, everyday foods that science shows can help lower cholesterol, reduce inflammation, and support clearer arteries. No miracle pills, no surgery, just nature's power on your plate. And stay with me until the end, because I'll also reveal the one common snack most seniors eat that secretly speeds up artery clogging, and what to swap it with. Now, let's dive into the powerful foods. First up, fatty fish. Like salmon, sardines, trout, or mackerel. Why are these so powerful? Because they're rich in omega-3 fats, specifically EPA and DHA, which lower triglycerides, reduce inflammation, and keep blood vessels flexible. That means less stiffness, better circulation, and protection against heart attacks. In fact, studies show that eating fatty fish just twice a week can lower the risk of dying from heart disease. That's huge, and it's a simple dinner swap. How much? Aim for 2 to 3 servings per week, 3 to 4 ounces, about the size of your palm. Senior-friendly tips. Bake salmon with lemon and herbs. It's soft, tasty, and easy to chew. Try canned sardines or salmon. They're affordable, low in mercury, and the soft bones even add calcium. Number 2. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries. These little fruits are packed with antioxidants called anthocyanins that fight oxidative stress, one of the main causes of artery damage. They also improve how blood vessels relax and may help lower blood pressure. Here's the best part: they're naturally sweet, but much lower in sugar than most fruits. How much? Just 1 cup of fresh or frozen berries per day can provide benefits. Senior-friendly tips. Add a handful to your morning oatmeal or yogurt. Blend frozen berries into a smoothie, or simply enjoy them as a light, refreshing snack. They're soft, juicy, and easy to chew. And number 3. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard, collard greens. These powerhouses are rich in nitrates, which your body turns into nitric oxide, a natural compound that relaxes blood vessels, lowers blood pressure, and keeps circulation strong. Leafy greens are also high in vitamin K, magnesium, and fiber, all linked with a lower risk of heart disease. How much? Aim for at least 1 cup of cooked leafy greens or 2 cups raw every day. Senior-friendly tips. Lightly steam spinach or kale to make it soft and easy to chew. Add spinach to an omelet or soup. Mix chopped greens into a stew. They shrink as they cook, so you get more without noticing. So, how do you bring these foods together? Here's a tiny weekly plan. Breakfast, oatmeal topped with a handful of berries. Lunch or dinner, baked salmon or sardines with a side of steamed spinach. Snacks, swap processed sweets for fresh or frozen berries. That's it, simple swaps that over time can make a big difference for your arteries. But here's the trap. Many seniors unknowingly eat foods that speed up artery clogging, like processed meats, fried snacks, and sugary baked goods. One common culprit: packaged pastries and donuts. They're full of refined carbs and unhealthy fats that spike blood sugar and inflame arteries. Let's recap. 3 powerful foods that help protect your arteries are: fatty fish for omega-3s, berries for antioxidants, leafy greens for nitric oxide and circulation. Together, they fight cholesterol, inflammation, and high blood pressure, the 3 main drivers of clogged arteries. Start with just 1 swap tomorrow. Add berries to breakfast, then add fish or leafy greens later in the week. Small steps really do add up. Remember, these foods are powerful allies, but they work best as part of an overall healthy lifestyle. That includes regular activity and avoiding processed foods. If this video helped you, please like it and subscribe for more science-backed health tips for seniors.